Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and removing all power sources. This prevents shorts. Once done, remove back screws and gently pry the case. Use plastic tools to avoid damage. You should photograph cable placement so you can reassemble correctly. Next, locate the joystick module. It sits on a small PCB with 2 3-screws. Make sure to ground yourself to avoid static. Now remove the module screws and lift the stick assembly free, exposing the potentiometer and springs for the first cleaning. You'll clean the potentiometer tracks and surrounding area carefully. Spray or dab 90% plus isopropyl on a swab and roll it across the track while moving the stick. Once clean, inspect springs and shaft for play. Replace any distorted spring or cracked plastic. Use a multimeter to measure resistance change as you move the stick. Inconsistent readings indicate a worn potentiometer. If needed, replace the module. Soldering may be required, so make sure you know how to desolder and resolder small joints safely. After cleaning or replacing parts, reassemble in reverse order. Reconnect ribbon cables exactly as photographed and tighten screws snugly but not overly tight. Once assembled, reconnect power and perform a calibration routine in your console or device settings. Move the stick through its full range and save the profile. Test in multiple games or a calibration app. If stick still sticks or drifts after calibration, try a new OEM replacement module. This is often the definitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.